Hello everyone, just want to do a little bit longer video. I had a short about the types of clicks, but I just want to go into it a little bit depth and maybe so you can hear them for a little bit longer. But I know the sound, based on the metal is different. Everything sounds different. But it could be, a variation of the hinges, how tight they are, how the cam spring is. There's a lot of variables there. But there's a couple surprises here that I was a little shocked. But let me see what you think. So we've got a sterling, 100% sterling, a sterling top, copper bottom, regular copper, brass, armor brass, chrome, a pewter, if you will, pasty on it, as J-Ro likes to call them, and then a 540. But let's just start with them and see. Which one do you guys like? I was surprised. The copper and the sterling top I thought had a higher pitch. This one to me is muffled because of the pasty on it, the emblem. The armor I thought sounds pretty neat. I'm assuming because it's thicker, but a lot of these sound the same though. For all general purposes, I think some of these sound the same, some sound muted, and I think the ones that sound unique are the armor, the sterling and copper, and the sterling. But let's do it again. To my ears, that's a little bit higher. Sounds nice. A little bit different. Can't really describe the difference. Maybe some of you musicians out there can. Armor definitely sounds different. So there's a sterling and copper. They all sterling. Personally, I think I like this one better. Sounds to me like it's just got a little bit of an echo, a pleasing echo to my ears. And I like the armor too. Which one did you guys like? Let me know in the comments.